Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I came with some of the important opportunity from company like Wipro, Deloitte and other hiring. So अगर आप freshers हैं and looking for important internship and opportunity, then this video is for you. So talking about the first important opportunity that is from the Wipro, they are hiring for the role of graduate engineer trainee, and for this the job location in Noida, Uttar Pradesh, and this is a wonderful profile. Especially I suggest must apply 2025 pass out and 2026 if you want you can also apply for that and just note down all the things and remember there will be cooling period for this, so before applying think and apply. Okay, moving to next, that is from the Deloitte. They are hiring for the role of service support associate integrated admin, Hyderabad, Telangana. And what will be roles and responsibility to produce accurate administrative delivery and manage assignment, document project activity in workflow. So अगर आपने apply नहीं किया then must apply. Bachelor degree in any subjects are level. You should have knowledge of Microsoft Excel and PowerPoints and others. So make sure to include these tech skills in your resume. Then only there is a chance of getting selections. Going to next important opportunity, and they are hiring for the role of QA trainee. So if you are interested, you can directly share to the number or the mail ID they have provided, and this will be your roles and responsibilities. So no prior consulting experience needed. They will provide you training. So if you are interested, you can apply for that. Moving to next, that is from the OSP5. So they are hiring for the various role, that is data science, data analyst, Python developer, Java developer, Power BI, machine learning, software developer. So if you are interested, you can share your resume to this mail ID. They have clearly mentioned. Moving to next, that is for the role of automation trainee, Selenium Playwright. And this is the company Fusey.com. So they are hiring for AI engineer, SDT intern, and other things are there. So if you are interested, you can directly share your resume to the mail ID. Okay, so they have clearly mentioned the mail ID. You can directly mail there. Moving to next, that is from the Infosys. This is a walk-in drive, and tomorrow is the date. So if you are residing near Kolkata, then you can walk in there for the role of customer service. And 24 into 7 ready to work, minimum qualification any graduates can apply. And this is the job location, that is for Pune, Bangalore. So interview will be there in Kolkata, but you have to be available in Pune or Bangalore locations. Moving to next important meeting, that is for the role of QA intern. Company name is smartinfosys.net, and this is the mail ID. You have to just send your resume. So if you are 2024, 2025, 2026 and have a knowledge of manual testing, QA basics and bugs tracking or SDLC knowledge, then you can apply. If you are also interested, you can basically join our WhatsApp or Telegram group. There I am sending the notes free of cost for the SDLC and others, so you can get all those notes free of cost. Okay, so moving to last, that is from the Microchip. They are hiring for the role of design engineer, and this is a full-time role, and this will be roles and responsibilities. So bachelor's or master degree in electrical, computer engineering or related branches are available, like Ishi and other things are there. So if you are interested, you can apply for that. The programming language such as Python, Perl, C or C++, any one programming language you should have been. Okay, so these were some important community. Hope informative to you. For getting such important job updates, you can subscribe us. We regularly post lots of important job updates, coding videos and other. So if you want, you can subscribe. मिलते हैं next important job updates में. Thank you.